Hey everyone, today I am covering Easy Delicious Pizza Rolls by Pins and Things. No, sorry, she's formerly known as Pins and Things. She's now Rebecca Beach, I think, just Rebecca Beach. I'm going to this really fancy thing and I needed dinner and I was like, I could film it right now, so I'm kind of in a hurry. Maybe this is a bad time to film, but that's when I could do it and I'm hungry and I have the stuff for it. So let's talk about what we're gonna need for this. I got as close as I could. Most of what she holds up was Great Value brand, and then the one or two things I didn't see what she had, I went for Great Value because it was the cheaper one to keep costs low, and I know they do that too. Also, who wants to spend money on pizza rolls, you know?
Crescent roll.
Boom.
Pizza sauce.
Boom.
Pepperoni.
Boom. This is one that I looked for the brand. I couldn't tell, so Great Value.
Hand spray.
Boom.
Butter with seasonings like garlic powder, parsley, and Parmesan cheese.
Boom. I don't want to spill it, but there's melted butter in this. I'm gonna spill it. We're gonna leave that.
Cheese. I have this huge thing of cheese.
And the boom. So this one she chops up like cheese sticks. She has a huge one and I was like, no way am I buying that big boy. It's the yellow and white cheese, and the only ones that they had was the Monterey, Colby Jack and Monterey. I actually bought everything in one trip except for the Pam. I didn't buy, but even the butter, I bought all of it. Well, I guess that's not true. I didn't buy parsley flakes or onion salt because I have that stuff, and Pam I had. I bought the majority. I bought the crescent rolls, Italian seasoning, pizza sauce, cheese, pepperoni, Parmesan, and butter. All for, you can't see it, it's $15.55. It's $15.55. Yeah, between $15 and $20 for dinner or lunch for your kids is not bad. I'm just kidding. That would be bad if that's all you got out of it. But of course, it's a whole jar of pizza sauce and you'll use more of. Let's get to cooking.
Put it at 350.
The first thing I would do is preheat the oven. She tells you what to preheat it to, but she doesn't say to do it first. So preheat your oven really quickly.
I already put some spray Pam on this pan.
She sprays the pan first. With Pam, I'd get a rimmed baking sheet if I were you, and spray. That was like the worst spray job I've ever done. Okay.
Take the pizza sauce and just one spoonful is plenty.
Alright, already spilled sauce. Wow, this is really watery. So you just take pizza sauce and you spread it on. I mean, it's that simple. That's it. That's what you do. Pretty crazy, huh?
Put some pepperoni on here first. Just, a couple slices. I think I'm gonna rip these in half.
I was just the opposite of recording the whole time I did those ones, so now I'll film me doing these ones. How are crescent rolls shaped? They've all come out differently. I know I do everything wrong, but come on. Is 5 too many on one? Because I got like 3 on the rest.
Then put the cheese on there.
What I did with my cheese block is I literally took it, cut slices off, cut those in half, made cheese sticks. They're smaller than hers, but I'm not a huge cheese fan. Like, that's just a lot of cheese.
And roll it together.
I guess you want to try to make the cheese proportional to the roll. So like, oh my. You can see, as you can tell, I'm really bad. I can't tell if it's because I'm bad at everything, which would be a viable answer, or because I don't have 2 hands. We can pretend it's that one. We can pretend. Maybe it is. I hope. Woo! These look so dang good. I'm doing so great. This will go a lot smoother for you if you're just watching this video and not doing it with one hand. I promise if you're not holding the camera and recording, it will go better.
I already put a little bit of butter on them.
You take the butter. Just to be clear, she does say parsley in the beginning, but then when she explains what's in it while she's holding it and looking at it, she doesn't say parsley, so I'm actually gonna not put parsley in it. She says Parmesan cheese. So I'm just gonna 2 scoops, hope for the best. She says garlic powder. So we're just gonna, I put like half a teaspoon. That was a lot. Some Italian seasoning is not open. Sorry, Mom. She gets mad when I use my teeth to open things because she says she paid a lot for these teeth. But I'm not hurting them. See? See, Mom? My teeth is happy. I'm gonna take the Italian seasoning and a couple of sprinkles of them. I don't know how much Italian seasoning, but it comes out so slowly that I'm just getting impatient, so not a lot. And then onion salt. We're just gonna razzmatazz it. Okay. I just took my finger and poured it in. And then you stir this up. In case you guys were wondering, it does smell like cheesy butter with seasonings in it. So it's really insightful. Okay. I mean, it's like garlic butter. There's this piece of not melted butter. It's just not gonna be melted. So you wanna put a little bit on the pizza roll. She doesn't say to do that, but then after she takes them out, she's like, I already put some on it. So just put a tiny bit on all of them. Like that. That's probably good. She says if you have a brush, you should use that. And I do, but she uses not, so I gotta do what she does, you know?
For 12 to 15 minutes, so I'm gonna do it for 13 minutes.
Pop these babies into a 350-degree oven. Ow, that's burning my face. For 13 minutes. Woo! Quick side note, just while the pizza rolls are baking, at the end of the video, she explains this really cool jar trick that's totally awesome. I'm not going to do that at all because I don't use pizza sauce or spaghetti sauce. I make everything from scratch. Wow, that sounded really pretentious. But anyway, I'm going to not do that because I'm just going to give someone the jar pizza sauce if I freeze it, or I don't know. If I do anything with it, I'm not going to throw it away, but anyway, back to the video.
They look really ugly. Take a spoonful of it and drizzle it on.
Wow, so yummy. I think this butter stuff is gonna be the best part. So you wanna put that on a lot. It's exactly like she said, not very pretty, but here we go. That's pizza. Okay, so all in all, that took exactly 35 minutes, and yeah, I would say the ability to follow 5 out of 5, perfect. She shows everything. It's super easy, nothing wrong with it. As for how come they don't look pretty, but they taste exactly like you'd expect. I mean, it's just dependent on whether you like pizza or not, basically. Like, it's 5 out of 5. So that's a 10 out of 10, that's an A+, and 100%. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope, sorry this felt rushed. I had like exactly 35 minutes before I had to be in this Bible study thing, so I have to go to that now. And it took me 35 minutes, so I'm late. But anyways, have a great night, or day, or week. And thanks again for watching. Hello, coming to you live. Better. I need a nut.